Alright, good day, my viewers all over the world. I remember my humble self again teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe, watch my video, drop your comment on comment section, drop your feedback. Let me get feedback for you on my comment section. Alright, let's go at this exponential equation. If 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2 raised to power n plus 5 is equal to 101. What is n? And the second one is 7 raised to power 2s plus 1 minus 49 raised to power s is equal to 294. What is s? I encourage you to watch all the teachings, the example 1 and the one of 2. Now let's take number 1, solution. Say 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2 raised to power n plus 5 is equal to 101. Okay? I'll now write 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2 raised to power n is equal to 101 minus 5. Here now 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2 raised to power n. What is 101 plus minus 5? Is 96. Is what? 96. So let us solve here. I can now write like this again. 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power 1. Breaking this down, give us this 2 raised to power n plus 1. So the other one, I'll just say, okay, plus 2 raised to power n is equal to 96. Yes, when we get here, we can solve this place in 2 ways. We can solve this particular part using 2 methods to solve it. Okay? One of the methods I can say, okay, let y be 2 raised to power n. One method. Whenever I say y 2 raised to power n, I will put y. So here will be 2y plus y is equal to 96. After you have finished solving it, you now recall when you now say let y be 2 raised to power n. But what I want to do here, I want to factor out 2 raised to power. Let us factor out. Out the common term. Okay? So 2 raised to power n is common between here and here. If I bring it here, here will be 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 is equals to 96. Now 2 raised to power n is equal to 2 raised to power 1 is 2, sorry, plus 1 is 3. Is equals to 96. What do we do here? We divide both sides by this 3. Alright? 2 raised to power n. This will die with this. Okay. What is 96 divided by 3? Give us 32. Give us 32. Now, I want to express both sides the same base. 2 raised to power n is equals to 2 raised to power 5. Give us 32. The base are the same. Therefore, n is equals to 5. That is example number what? 1. N is equals to what? 5. Okay, let's do the second example. I told you, don't disconnect. Stay connected till the end. Stay connected till the end. Okay? I'll use the same method. What I said. Now, number 2, what is it telling us? It's 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 49 raised to power x is equals to 294. Okay? Now, here the same thing as 7 raised to power 2x times 7 raised to the power 1. I can now multiply 7 into 2 places, I get 149. So yes, 7 raised to the power 2 x is equals to 2, 9, 4. The same way I said, we're going to factor out the common 10. And what is common here? If you look at here, we have 7 raised to the power 2x here. We have 7 raised to the power 2x here. So when I bring 7 raised to the power 2x out, I'm left with 7 raised to the power 1. You see that 7 plus, here will be 1. Sorry, minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to 294. Is equals to 294. So here 7 raised to the power 2x, bracket 7 minus 1 gives us 6, is equals to 294. Okay, what do? We divide both sides by this 6. So I will divide both sides by the 6. This will die with this. Okay, let's go. 294 divided by 6 give us 49. This will give us 1. That give us 49. So 7 raised to the power 2x is equals to 49. So I will express them in the same base. 7 raised to the power 2x is equals to 7 raised to the power 2. So this will die with this. We are taking the power. So let's make x the subject on this formula. So I'm dividing both sides by 2, not these 2. These 2 that have the x. So the coefficient of x here is 2. So I will divide it by these 2, not these 2. So 2 we cancel 2. You are left with x there. 2 we cancel 2. Is there 1. So subscribe again to my YouTube channel at Otemu. Maths Success. Share my videos so that others can get in touch with me. God bless you. Read.